to commence the listing ceremony of Piotex Industries Limited on BSE. It is a momentous occasion and a significant milestone for the company. So ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together and begin this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause. Wonderful. That's the energy we all are looking for. Thank you. Thank you so much. So before we begin, I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata Ki. Wonderful. Kindly take your seats, everyone. And now, let me provide you a brief introduction of the company. So, Piotex Industries Limited is a professional textile industry with its headquarters in Pune, India, and manufacturing contract and exclusive selling ties up with spinning and weaving industries situated in Maharashtra. Piotex Industries Limited, incorporated in 2019, is the fastest growing company in the field of manufacturing and trading cotton, bales, yarn, and fabrics. The philosophy of the company is a light asset model. Team Piotex comprises of professionals with the experience and expertise to meet any customer's requirement with innovative solutions. And today we are here to witness a new chapter in Piotex Industries Limited's history as they take the next step forward. I would like you all to clap hard and give them lots and lots of wishes, everyone. Thank you so much. It is said that with great experience comes great minds. And today, on this momentous occasion, we would like to welcome our dignitaries with the lovely flower bouquets. So we have here with us the leadership team of Piotex Industries Limited, who are stalwarts in their respective fields, who will be telling us more about the company and its achievement. So now we will welcome them all. I request Mr. Abhijit Garge, HR Manager at Piotex Industries Limited, to kindly present our first bouquet to Mr. Yogesh Nimodia, Founder and Director at Piotex Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome him with a huge round of applause. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Can we all clap, ladies and gentlemen? Kindly accept this token, accept this as a token of gratitude from us. I request Abhijit sir to kindly stay here. Next we have Mr. Abhay Asalkar, Chairman cum Managing Director, Founder and Director at Piotex Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the moment. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. I request Abhay sir and Yogesh sir to please be on the stage, as now it is time to welcome our very special guest, C.A. Suhas Bora. Can we welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone? He is a senior mentor of Piotex Group, a well-renowned CA, senior partner, and founder at SPCM Legal and Associates, Pune. He is the godfather for many organizations for the last 4 decades, everyone. It is an honor and privilege to welcome him and facilitate him with bouquet, everyone. So I would like you all to clap hard for this wonderful man, the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, Suhas ji has a flight to catch. Despite that, he is here with us, marking his presence and gracing this beautiful morning. A big, big thank you To you, sir, a big thank you to Mr. Suhas Boraji for being here today and marking your graceful presence. Since he has to leave for the flight, we will facilitate him now itself. Can we all clap, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much, sir, for being here. A very, very warm welcome to you. Now we have C.S. Gagan Kohli, Associate Vice President cum Business Head of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I request Abhayji to kindly facilitate him with a bouquet. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Suhas Boraji would like to share a few words with all of us. A privilege for us. So let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Dignitaries' presence here. I, first of all, extremely apologize for leaving early before the moment. It's been a delighted moment for me also. At the outset, Yogesh, Abhayji, and the entire team Piotex, though I have opportunity of interacting with Yogesh and Abhayji more, I find this milestone could not have been achieved without a dedicated hard work, team support, and for any company to have this moment is one of the moments like giving birth to a child, like child gave birth to a mother. At the same time, Yogesh and even Abhayji and entire Piotex team, they will have the same feeling to nurture this company to take forward. And I have no doubt in my mind, rather I am confident that with the dedicated efforts of the Piotex team, we will be once again be here on the main board for celebrating this journey of togetherness together. We as a team SPCM also have very proud moment to be associated with Piotex Group, and we hand in hand, we will definitely grow together with lots of blessings to Yogesh and Abhayji and entire SPTM. I take your leave, friends. I have to catch up my flight. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been witness for the journey. But my brother and the nephew will be here to be part of your team to work here. And we as a SPCM will be always with you for every success, every milestone, and many feathers in your crown. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. It's an honor, a privilege to have you here with us, to join us for this ceremony. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, can we all clap for him once again? So now, ladies and gentlemen, since the BSc officials are not yet arrived here, we shall proceed with the event. We will facilitate him once he is here. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we will commence this auspicious occasion by the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I request all our dignitaries to kindly join us for the same. I request all the family members to please join us near the lamp for the ceremony. Requesting the dignitaries, all the team members, the family members to join us near the lamp for the lighting of the lamp ceremony.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute Deepajyotir namostute Shubham kurutvam kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampada
so much. Thank you to all the family members as well. Thank you, all of you, for marking your presence here, for making this occasion more beautiful, for gracing this beautiful moment. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to initiate the proceedings, I would like to invite Mr. Yogesh Namodia, founder and director of Piotex Industries Limited, to share a few words on the journey, the achievement, and the inspiration. So let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for being here for this historical event. It is once in a lifetime opportunity for a founder or a company to witness a IPO listing. It is a huge occasion for my professional life as well as company's life of Piotex. Thank you very much once again for being here. What can I say? 12 years of celebration, 12 years of magnet, 12 years of roller storm, hailstorm, sometime good time, some bad moments, but it was not so easy. Some moments are celebration, some moments of sadness, but at Piotex, we try to enjoy every moment, and that is Piotex. Let's go back 12 years ago, when me and Abhay founded Piotex in 2012. In small room with 2 employees and 40 lakhs turnover. We started Piotex with technical selling and agency business of textile machinery. Now today, we are leading manufacturer of cotton yarn, fabric and cotton bales on contract basis with innovative model of asset-light model. Piotex was born on a belief, simple yet powerful belief, through innovation and dedication. We can change the textile industry and transform the market. Piotex Industries was founded in 2019. Today, later 4 years, we are celebrating the historical event in the history of Piotex, that is IPO listing. This moment is more than milestone. It reflects the dream of every person involved with Piotex. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the investors, all the people who have applied for the IPO, for helping us to achieve a blockbuster IPO. Not every day we see 107 times subscription. I repeat, 107 times subscription for an IPO. Thank you very much for your support. Now our team, your dedication, creativity and commitment has been the driving force for our success. It is Piotex team effort that transform our vision into reality. Your innovation, which pushes the boundary for what is possible, and your teamwork has built a strong foundation for Piotex, and on which Piotex stands today. Believe me, this achievement belongs to you as much as to me as well as Abhay. I would like to thank all the vendors, suppliers, cotton customers, who are always with us during this journey. They have supported us. Because of you, it would have not possible to achieve what we are today. So thank you very much once again for being with us. No journey is possible without support of friends. So we have a lot of our friends who has motivated, supported us during this journey. Thank you very much, everybody, for being part of this. My greatest inspiration is my parents and my child, who are always motivated and supported us. Shoulder to shoulder we walk. We are walking last 22 years. Yes, I am talking about my lovely wife. She is absolutely, without any doubt, is the greatest support of my life. Thank you very much for your support. Now coming back to IPO, the process of IPO will be enable us to accelerate the growth of our company. We understand the responsibility that comes being a public limited company. We are fully committed for the highest level of transparency and corporate responsibility. Today, as we ring the bell that signifies our entry into public market, we reflect on our past, celebrate the present, and look forward for the future, filled with opportunities and growth. This IPO is not an end, but rather it is a beginning of new era of success. growth, innovation, and shared success. To everyone present here, thank you very much once again for being part of this moment. Together, we will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible and create a brighter, more innovative future for all. Thank you very much, everybody, for being here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your insightful words. Thank you so much. So now, ladies and gentlemen, to know more about the company, we will play a small presentation for you all. So I request all of you to kindly have your eyes on the screen here. We shall now start the presentation for Pyotex Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, so the man we were waiting for, Mr. Anand Chari ji, he's finally here. He'll be here with us within the next 2 minutes to commence the listing ceremony of Pyotex Industries Limited on BSE. So I would like you all to welcome him with a huge round of applause once he's here. So are we all excited? Yes, can I hear from you all? Are we all excited? Can I see the energy? A big day for all of us, a very special occasion, a significant moment for Pyotex Industries Limited. I must say all the family members, the leaders, the team, all of you are very excited. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anand Chari is finally here. So before that, I would like you all to have a huge round of applause for this beautiful day here, for all this excitement and energy. Can we all show some energy, everyone? So now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for, the moment we have been waiting for has finally arrived. It's almost 10 o'clock, and I request all the dignitaries on the dais and the family members to quickly join us on the stage for the bell ringing ceremony. So requesting the dignitaries and the family members to kindly join us on the stage for the bell ringing ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, with the ringing of the bell, Pyotex Industries Limited will be officially listed on BSE India. You'll see the timer on the screen, and I want all of you to join me for the last 10 seconds with a lot of energy and excitement. It's 9:58, 2 minutes to go. We shall begin the timer. You all will see the timer on the screen, and I want all of you to join me for the last 10 seconds. A big day, a very special occasion for all of us. I can see a lot of excitement in all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, 53 seconds left for Pyotex Industries Limited to be officially listed on BSE Limited India. So I want all of you to join me for the countdown. 41 seconds. You all will join me for the last 10 seconds. We will do the countdown together with a lot of energy and lot of excitement. So team, are we all excited? Wonderful. 27, 26 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. A big day, a special day for all of us. You all will join me for the last 10 seconds. So all of you together, let's start the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, heartiest congratulations to Pyotex Industries Limited. The company is now officially listed on Bombay Stock Exchange, India. It's been a milestone and a journey that will be spoken about for a very, very long time to come, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत शुभकामनाएं. We are grateful to BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our family, friends, well-wishers, our stakeholders, and all of you who took time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. You all can see the figures on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, Pyotex Industries Limited is officially listed on BSE India. Let's have a huge round of applause for the company, everyone. I request everyone to kindly take the seats. Requesting all the dignitaries to kindly settle on the dais. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us today for this beautiful celebration for listing ceremony of Piotex Industries Limited. And now, to tell you more about the company, to tell you more about the IPO, I would now invite Mr. Yogesh Nimodia. So now we will invite Mr. Abhay Asalkar to kindly join us and share a few words about the company. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome. And thank you also for joining this event. We are very happy to announce from 94, we have launched 109, which is close to 18% jump first day. I think this is a sign of prosperity for all of us. Thank you for all the investors who trusted us, all the suppliers, all the customers, all the team members of Piotex. The journey actually started in 2012. The today's team of Piotex, but each and every employee from the day one who contributed. Our first employee, Shankar, is here. I asked Shankar to stand, and he is the first man who was with us when we started in 2012. And today we have a team of 92 people plus. In this journey, Beeline Advisors as a merchant bank help us a lot, guide us a lot. Our friend and financial consultant CA, Mr. Hitesh Lunia, CS, Mr. Gagan Kohli. It is beyond the business, the relationship. It is beyond the business, the guidance to growth mutually is the best example of this Piotex IPO. It is a one milestone in the journey, but many more to come. Basically today, though we call this as an IPO listing ceremony, but I think this is a time for gratitude, say thanks to all. Because the journey was never possible by one person, me or Yogesh, or as a normal team of Piotex. It's all the people who directly and indirectly contributed in this journey. Very vital roles in this journey. Our mentor, when we started 2012, Mr. Sandeep Devre, Mr. Shailendra Mishra, both are here. I request both of them, please stand so everyone can see. These are the two players who parentally guide us, though as the same age or the friends. But when we start, when we were zero, they were the two people who was the first guarantor for our loan. These are the people when we don't have the office and operate from the home. These are the two people who supported us like anything, who offer their offices to seats, who offer their computer to take a print. The journey starts from that. So it is not me and Yogesh on the only Piotex team. It's a many people, many mentors who help us like Mr. GVRS, Mr. Lakshmikant Rathi, Mr. Jayan Nagrale, who was part of this journey. So thank you these two all gentlemen also. Business in last 12 years was never the easy. Always, journey always never the straight line. There is always tough time, but वो कहते हैं कि tough time never lasts, but tough people do it. So with these inspirations from family and the supporters, we tried to complete this journey in a better way, ethical way, transparent way, and for the win-win situation for all. And I tell you, we told in our interviews and while listing this model that our model is a light asset model. If I am not wrong, we are the first company in India in textile sector, in BSc SME line, in the contract manufacturing or the job work. We are the first company who listed on this light asset model in textile. And you know, the beauty, we asked for the 15 crore and the people trusted us and invested 1,500 crore. And in one single day, last day, Tuesday, 14th of May, in a single day, we received 1,426 crore. Monday, which was the second day, we only completed with 53.5 crore, and the end of the third day, we closed with 1,476 crore plus, with around 107 times, which is also the one of the history in BSc SME in textile sector, in contract manufacturing, light asset model. Now, I will tell you why it happened. There are many talented personalities are here, many CAs, CS, bankers, investors, many legal firms, people are available here. But why it happened, this model's beauty is that this is not only the entrepreneurship, it's a socialization through entrepreneurship, what Piotex did. We identify the unit which is not doing well, which is closed or not performing. Reason might be many reasons. It might be a financial trace, it might be a mismanagement, it might be a lack of subject expertization, it might be a combination of techno-commercial expertizations, or willingness, tough market, up and down, because textile is a business with high volume, thin margins. So sensitivity in this business is very high. An entrepreneur, a managing director or the company who run the decisions, you have to look always what happened in US, what happened in China, what happened in India, what is happening in MCX. This WhatsApp and digital age is so, pakka, every minute and every second, a customer, a supplier have the updates. You have to be tuned with that. And because of these challenges, because of high volume and thin margin models, so many people, if you see 2014-15 onwards, till now, last 10 years, close to 10 years, this textile is only the subject expert people who can run properly, or you should have an integrated tie-up. Our Yan customer, Yasin Bhai, Shukla ji, Kabra ji, Ishan Bhai, Mittal ji, Prince Bhai, our well-wisher Manoj Bhai Shaha, Prince Bhai, Praful ji Chheda, Ganesh ji Nalawade. So these are all the people. Why I am taking name? I may forget some name, but these are the people who support us, who blindly trust us. When I have 25 crore CC, but in my godown there is a more than 100 crores rupee material available, because this is a trusted. This is a trust on Piotex, which with any single, not a single PDC, the people trusted us because our model, our way of working was so good, and we always thought win-win situation for our partners in business. So I again come to what beauty of this model, entrepreneurship through socialization. We identify the unit which is stop. Once unit stop, बैंक को भी EMI नहीं जाता है, इंश्योरेंस वालों को कुछ मिलता नहीं है, GST कलेक्ट होता नहीं, गवर्नमेंट को इनकम टैक्स मिलता नहीं, लेबर को रोजगार मिलता नहीं है, स्टाफ को भी मिलता नहीं है. So everything closed. It is a loss to nation. In a larger perspective, if you see the unit which is closed or not doing well, and when Piotex take it, do auditing, we do due diligence, we understand what the capacity of the unit is, what is the infrastructure of the machinery available into that unit, and what we can produce from this setup, and what exactly the market need. Me and Yogesh, we both being a technical people, work on the floor for 13 years, and now almost 12 years into the business. With this combination of technical and commercial, we think कि यासीन भाई को क्या धागा चाहिए, वार्पिंग क्या स्पीड में चलाते तो धागा क्या देना है. ये नहीं देना है कि हमने क्या बनाना है, और हमें वो देना है कि जो मार्केट में उस रेट में बेच सके और बेस्ट परफॉर्म करे. So if you go in a shopper stop today also, now and before 5 years, you will find instead of cotton and linen, which is a very high cost fiber, but आज का फैशन है ना, more of viscose, more of synthetic, quick fashion. ब्राइट दिखना चाहिए, फाइबर लो कॉस्ट चलेगा लेकिन दिखने में अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. क्विक फैशन. पहले हम शर्ट यूज करते थे, 2 साल 5 साल शर्ट चलता था. एवरी दिस यंग जनरेशन, हाई परचेसिंग पावर पीपल नीड अ क्विक फैशन. 1 साल चला, 1 साल बाद साइकोलॉजिकल पुराना हो जाता, उनको यूज नहीं करना है. तो दिस कंसेप्ट वी डिड अंडरस्टैंड, दिस कंसेप्ट वी अप्लाई, एंड विद दिस पुअर यूनिट, ओल्ड यूनिट, वी make the unit profitable with our expertization, which is a win-win situation for industry. हजारों लोगों को रोजगार मिला. At any given time in 2020, हमने महाराष्ट्र में हाईएस्ट स्पिंडल चला. We are the largest in Maharashtra. Around 2.4 lakh spindle we did run at a time. Within the 10-year of journey of the company, we were the largest in 2022-23. There is always challenges, what I told you initially. चैलेंजेस तो रहते हैं, अप डाउन करना पड़ता है, सिचुएशन के हिसाब से चलना पड़ता है. सो बट आवर विजन, आवर ग्रोथ पाथ, आवर टीम नेटवर्क इज सो हाई दैट वी ऑलवेज वांट टू बिल्ड ऑन दिस. विद दिस थॉट वी कम विद द IPO. और ये IPO का भी पैसा वी वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री वेयर लोगों का भला होगा. जहाँ एक टाइम में 5-5 हज़ार लोग हमारे साथ काम किए, एक फैमिली में 4 लोग भी बोलते तो 20,000 लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट हमने एट ए टाइम दिया. तो दिस इज अ सोशलाइजेशन. हमने इंडस्ट्री ली, रन की, तो उनके बैंक की EMI गए, बैंक को इंटरेस्ट गया, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी चली, GST कलेक्ट हुआ, इनकम टैक्स आया. So this is a socialization through entrepreneurship. And I think this is the model which we run as a low asset model, and this is the reason we got a best response in IPO also. The people who understand the depth of the model, they believe on us. And with this belief, with this trust of the partners and the teamwork which Piotex did, many members from my team, I mean, some people are left, some people are there, some may be in future employee, but Bharat, Salim, Abhijit, Rupali did an excellent work in this IPO in last 2 years. And you know, family also, definitely the Yogesh told, Yogesh ki family yahan hai, Sandhya Bhabhi ji, Nandini, Vedant, they saw up and down. Once upon a time, we draw 30,000 rupees also, because it is not allowed by the company. But my wife Chaitali, the daughter Kavya Arya, everyone supported to the situations. You people supported us, vendor trusted us, customer trusted us, and this is the journey we achieve with your support. So this is the time of gratitude. Again, thank you very much to each and every investor, each and every partner who contributed us directly and indirectly. And with this trust, we have more responsibility on our shoulder. 24/7, we work for the investor, we work for the shareholders, and we will achieve best results to give them best returns. And let's grow together. With this tagline, I want to stop here. Again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your insightful words, Abhay sir. I request you to kindly stay here as I now welcome Mr. Anand Chari, Additional General Manager, BSE SME and Startup. So let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. We would like to facilitate you with a lovely flower bouquet. Requesting Abhay sir to kindly present a lovely flower bouquet to Mr. Anand Chari as a token of gratitude. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for marking your presence and gracing this beautiful day here. I now request Mr. Anand Chari to kindly share a few words with all of us.
I started at 7 o'clock from Belapur. I could reach maybe 5 minutes before. It's really extremely sorry to keep you on holding. When Gagan called me up and said that it's already 9:30, I told her I'll reach at 9:30. Somewhere or other, I got stuck with the normal routine traffic of Pune. So pardon me for this. And this is the first time in last 500 this is the 503rd company which we are getting listed, Piotex today, and not gone any of the function late. This is the first time it happened, and sorry for making you all wait, but Gagan called me up. I told him, let the show be on, you start the things. Possibly I'll be reaching on time. Hope I have reached on time and all the speeches have been over. And firstly, I would like to thank Abhijit and his partner and the group company and all the staff members who have made this company to list today and made BSE SME platform a preferred platform to raise their capital. I'm really happy that you have joined our SME family today. You are the 503rd company, and almost 40 companies have already lined up to list on our platform. And BSE has been there for almost 150 years. We are completing 150 years of existence. And the kind of wealth creation which has happened through this platform in 150 years, I think the Tata Birla of the company in the country have come through this platform and this organization. And we look forward more and more company to come on board from Pune. Because today, out of 503 company, we have 12 companies listed from Pune in last 12 years of existence of this SME platform. And roughly, I could really see the numbers. What I remember is not more than 280 crores have been raised through these 12 companies. This is the 13th company, and it has raised 15 crores. And I could really see there has been a humongous 100 times subscription of the subscription happened in this through this platform. And I happily see the kind of attraction the company has created into this, and the kind of participation happened through this HNI is commendable. And we look forward. And personally, I pray to God the company grows multifold in the coming years. And as a regulator, our endeavor will be to support you. And I hope we are going to do a lot of compliance. It's going to be adding on to your work and the company. And we look forward the words, what you said, it is going to be an ecosystem growth. And we would like to see that what are the people who have invested should be benefited, and the wealth creation which is going to happen, and 75% is going to be with you and 25% with the public. I would like to see all the people who are stakeholders are there who have invested in the company should also make money, and that should participate in the economic growth. And we would like to see more and more company coming up from Pune. We have been putting a lot of effort to get more company from here. We have been meeting through many of the merchant bankers. I think today BLN, who has chosen BSE as a preferred partner for theirs, and we have listed more than 45-50 companies on our SME platform. And I would like to thank BLN, Gagan and Nikhilji for making this possible today to list one company. I love to come over here very often because from my place, Bilapur, I reach more faster to Pune rather than reaching to my Fort BSE office. Today has been the exceptional case that I have reached a little late. So coming back to this, we look forward, the company should do well and all the stakeholders should be happy. And we look, most of the promoters here sitting over here listening to me, and the company secretaries of the world and CS of the world and the intermediaries and advisors who are there, we urge and these people that come with more and more company. We work with the partners and the companies and the CS of the world and company secretaries of the world. We don't work with them like a regulator, we will work as a facilitator. Bring the company, we'll sit together and understand the possibility and what is the valuation, and all this thing can be discussed and deliberated. First step, we are putting it forward to you that we are available, and there is a red carpet welcome for all the advisors to our floor. I sit on the 17th floor of the BSE, and I attend call till 11:30 in the night. So any which ways, if you have any type of a query or anything you want to get it clarified, I'm there to help you out. That is my personal commitment towards this platform, which I have been doing it for the last 7 years out of my career of 30 years running now. So we would like to see more and more companies coming up, and I need the support of the people who are listening to reach out to their last leg and the friend circle or their personal circle or the professional circle to reach out and pass on the message that the Piotex have come out with the issue price of 94 and they got listed at 105. Many more to come, and we will going to celebrate more success of this company in coming months and years. And whatever the support is required, we are there to help you out. And wherever we are needed as a regulator, please call us. And now the world is very small through this digital, what you said, and Zoom and all. Predominantly, we are having a lot of meetings in Zoom itself, and we are trying to close. So the world has become very close. Whenever it's required, we are there here to help people in Pune. And we have to push Pune a little bit more. And coming out from Bombay, we feel the push is required from the local people, because now you are a starch bearer for us. You are going to push more people from Pune to come forward. And with this, I'll put end to my session. And thanks for patient listening. Extremely sorry for coming late today for the function. And it has been a bang-on opening, so I leave it to the people to celebrate this like a marriage. Thanks once again.
Thank you so much, Anand sir, for your kind words. Thank you so much. So now I would like to invite CS Gagan Kohli, Associate Vice President cum Business Head of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited, to share a few words with all of you. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone.
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. मतलब ये ओकेशन जो पॉसिबल है बिकॉज ऑफ 2 पर्सन, अभय जी एंड योगेश जी. जस्ट टू शेयर एन इंसिडेंट, आई एम अ मर्चेंट बैंकर फॉर देयर IPO. सो हमारी मुलाकात हितेश भाई जो उनके कंसल्टेंट हैं उनके ऑफिस में हुई थी. सो एट दैट टाइम वी जस्ट मैट एंड वी डिस्कस कि भाई SME IPO क्या है, उसके क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. एंड मतलब आई वॉज सरप्राइज दैट विद इन एन हाफ एन आवर that engagement letter got signed and immediately they started the work, which happens very less because promoters काफ़ी टाइम लेते हैं और तब जाके 1 महीना 2 महीना लगाने के बाद वो engagement letter साइन करके प्रोसेस बढ़ाते हैं. बट उन्होंने हाफ एन आवर में वो डिसीजन लिया, उनको लगा ये कंपनी के लिए बेनिफिशियल है और उन्होंने इसके लिए आगे बढ़े और हमको ग्रीन सिग्नल दे के हमने काम चालू किया. एंड अभय जी और योगेश जी की मतलब इन दोनों की पार्टनरशिप की एक ही खासियत है, इट्स अ डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन. बिकॉज योगेश भाई जो है वो बहुत एग्रेसिव है एंड अभय भाई जो है वो बहुत कंजर्वेटिव हैं. दोनों का जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो अपोजिट है. इसके लिए ये जोड़ी बहुत डेडली है, मतलब सामने वाले को नेगोशिएशन जो करने की पावर जो है इनके दोनों के हाथ में आ जाती है. सो ये एक वन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट मैं शेयर कर रहा. दूसरा, मतलब मैं जब हमारा ये रोड शो प्रोसेस चालू हुआ, जब हम इन्वेस्टरों से मिलने लगे, हमने काफ़ी जूम कॉल किए हम तीनों ने मिलके, तो उस टाइम पे जो एग्रेसिवली उन्होंने अपनी कंपनी को समझाया, बिकॉज समथिंग विच इज़ अ टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री को लोग एक टेक्सटाइल मतलब बहुत रेयर जो ये चीज़ प्रोडक्ट समझेंगे जो ये लोग करते हैं, जो ये एसेट लाइट मॉडल है, ऐसा कोई कंपनी नहीं कर रहा है आज की तारीख में. तो हमने इन्वेस्टर को समझाया, इन्वेस्टर वॉज सो कन्विंस. उसका रिजल्ट आपने देखा कि 15 करोड़ के आईपीओ के सामने वी गॉट अ सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ 15,000 करोड़. और पायोटेक्स इज द फर्स्ट कंपनी फ्रॉम द महाराष्ट्र इन द टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर जो कि इधर आज आके लिस्ट हुई है. सो दैट इज एन अचीवमेंट फॉर द पायोटेक्स. थर्ड, आई वांट टू थैंक यू बीएससी जिन्होंने ये एसएमई प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया. एंड जस्ट टू अपडेट यू के जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज, मैं बीएससी में 6 साल था एंड मेरे जो बॉस थे वो आनंद चारी सर ही थे. मैं आनंद सर के नीचे मैंने ये पूरा सब सीखा, ये कैसे मतलब एसएमई को ग्रो करा जाता है, कैसे मर्चेंट बैंकर लोग काम करते हैं. तो आनंद सर से मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ सीखा और आज मैं जो भी हूँ, जिस मुकाम पे हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ब्लेसिंग. द बीलाइन की बात करें तो बीलाइन इज़ अ कैटेगरी 1 रजिस्टर्ड मर्चेंट बैंकर. हम लोग वी आर द लीडिंग मर्चेंट बैंकर फॉर लास्ट 2 ईयर्स. लास्ट ईयर्स हमने 16 ऑफर डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल किए थे एक्सचेंज में. एंड लास्ट ईयर वी कंप्लीटेड अराउंड 38 ऑफर डॉक्यूमेंट. And this year we are targeting for 50. So we are specialized in the SME IPO. We are having a good team. We are having a setup in Ahmedabad. So anybody wants to list, so they can approach us. And I want to thank you and my best wishes to Pyotex and all the best for the future growth. Abhayji and Yogesh bhai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gagan sir, for this beautiful speech. So now, ladies and gentlemen, as a significance to this occasion, we will now have the exchange of mementos. We will now first like to present a very special memento, a listing memento to our promoters. And for that, I request Mr. Anand Chari, Additional General Manager, BSc SME and Startup, to kindly present the listing memento to our presenters. I request the team, I request Abhay sir, Yogesh sir, and the entire Pyotex Limited team to kindly join us. Let's welcome all of them with a huge round of applause, everyone. Wonderful. Thank you so much. I request all of you to kindly stay here. And now we will present the individual mementos. So I request Mr. Anand Chari sir to kindly present the memento to Mr. Abhay Asalkar and Mr. Yogesh Nimodia, Pyotex Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Next, we have C.S. Gagan Kohli. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. So now it is time to present the memento to the BSc. I request Mr. Abhay Asalkar to kindly present the memento to Mr. Anand Chari, Additional General Manager, BSc SME and Startup. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. I can see a lot of emotions on Abhay sir. It's a special day for you as well. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Anand sir. I request Abhay sir to please stay here as we now present the memento to C.S. Gagan Kohli, Associate Vice President cum Business Head of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Can we all clap, everyone? Come on. As Anand sir told us that we should celebrate this day like a marriage, so let's keep up the excitement, keep up the energy, let's keep clapping for all our special dignitaries, our special guests here. Next we have C.A. Yashika Gyanchandani, Beeline Capital Advisors. Now we have Mr. Hitesh Lunia. Can we all welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone? C.A. Hitesh Lunia is a founder and director of Lunia and Associates. Next we have Mr. Sandeep Dior, Director of Dinexel Engineers Private Limited. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. Wonderful. What a wonderful moment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sandeep sir. Thank you so much, Abhay sir. I request you to kindly take a seat on the dais. Now I invite Mr. Yogesh sir to kindly present the mementos. Now we have Mr. Shailendra Mishra, Director of Dinexel Engineers Private Limited. So Mr. Sandeep Dior and Mr. Shailendra Mishra, they are both like friends and mentors to Biotex Industries Limited. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. Beautiful. Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have Mr. Sandeep Dior, Non-Executive Director of Biotex Industries Limited. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. From Non-Executive Director of Biotex Industries Limited. We are so sorry, unfortunately, he couldn't be with us here today. Next, we have Mr. Rupali Gejgi, the lead for Biotex Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a huge round of applause. It's her hard work and dedication that led to the successful execution of the IPO of Biotex Industries Limited. Lady behind all the hard work and dedication, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep clapping, everyone. Thank you so much. So ma'am would like to address the crowd. She would like to speak a few words.
Welcoming all first of all, thank you so much. Thank you Abhay sir and Yogesh sir. त्यांनी माझ्यावरती एवढं छान जबाबदारी विश्वास ठेवून एवढं छान काम दिलं. छान एक्सपिरियन्स होता इथपर्यंत येण्याचा. छान वाटलं. Thank you so much.
mementos from the merchant bankers to BSc and partners. I request CS Gagan Kohli to kindly present the memento to Mr. Anand Chari, Additional General Manager, BSc SME and Startup. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. Let's keep the energy, let's keep the excitement high. Wonderful. Thank you, Anand sir. I request Gagan sir to kindly be here. Now, next we have Mr. Abhay Asalkar, Founder and Director, Biotex Industries Limited. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have Mr. Yogesh Nimodia, Founder and Director, Biotex Industries Limited. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. A big, big congratulations to you, sir. Last but not the least, we have CA Hitesh Lunia, Founder and Director of Lunia and Associates. Let's clap, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. I request Mr. Hitesh Lunia to kindly share a few words with all of us. Over to you, sir.
लास्ट में गगन जी ने बोली दिया था दोनों का अप्रोच इतना जरूर है गगन जी जो तुमको आधा घंटा जो मैंडेट साइन करने में लगा था उसके पीछे मेरी 3 महीने की मेहनत थी थैंक यू
Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we conclude our listing ceremony. Thank you, all of you, for being such a wonderful audience, and congratulations once again to Biotex Industries Limited for being listed on the BSE. You have made a history today. Once again, I would like to thank BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, friends, family members, well-wishers, and our stakeholders. Thank you, everyone, for being here today, being a part of this beautiful journey. Thank you for being a part here, for taking out the time from your busy schedules. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Anchor Namrata signing off. Please join us to take off the end. Thank you so much.